All right, here we are at 2844 Scarlet Road here in Winter Park, Florida, 32792. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,508 square foot. The roof is 2016, HVAC is 2016, the electrical panel is 2015 with an updated panel, and the water heater is 2014. So as we walk through this oversized carport, you have two different rooms. One is storage and one is the laundry. This is the current laundry setup. You do have another door entry to get out through the kitchen. Obviously plenty of parking on this side. As you walk inside the home, you'll see updated kitchen, white shaker cabinets, all soft close. You do have the gray lower cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. And you also do have this pantry right here. A lot of space, obviously opens both sides. Do have some coat storage right over here. We walk back over here to that door that can get you out to that laundry and closet room. But just to give you a quick view right here. As we walk into the oversized wood-burning fireplace, you do have the luxury vinyl plank gray flooring in here, as well as crown molding in the baseboards. Really nice, oversized, screened porch all the way through. It's got the panels above it that have the insulation. You can see you've got a nice sized yard for a garden, install a pool if you'd want to, or just leave it as is. This is a refrigerator they use on the outside. Very nice living space, as you can see right here. No popcorn ceiling or anything. You have your HVAC closet right here. Walk down the hallway, all your bedrooms are here. Bedroom number 1. Going to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And you also have the guest bathroom right in between these. So if you didn't like the laundry outside and you didn't need the space of the bedroom, you could change that over here. Obviously the plumbing is all on this side, drainage and water, so you could easily set that up in this room, kind of on that wall right here. Got another linen closet right here. Here is your primary bedroom. Again, nice, light and bright. You have 2 closets. One on this side, and then you've got the other one over here as well. And this is your master bath. Nice step-in shower. So again, 4 bedrooms. You have water hookups right here, so you could easily put the laundry on that side if you want, or vice versa. You've got the master bedroom right here with the laundry on this side if you'd like to do something like that. Let us know if you have any questions.